Welcome to this video. In this video, we will discuss. You said that now you can't delete the account yourself, and how can I help you? So let me tell you. First, we log into your website dashboard area, and then we will go to the user menu option, and after going to the user page, you will see here that there are 3 administrators there. So from here, we have to delete these 2 accounts. First, I am deleting this first account after deleting here, and now we have to click on the confirmation button to delete this user. And you will see here that this account has been deleted. For this, first I have to log into your own admin area, and then we can delete my own user account. Then, with the help of using your account, we have to log out my account. So first you will see here that I am copying your email address. And after copying it, I have put it here. Then we have to change the password. So I have given the new password here and copied it to my notepad. After copying, we will click here. You will see your email here, and here we have the new password. And after everything is done, here is your email. So I changed that too. And after everything is done, update the users. And here we can see that we have logged out of the administrator account. So first I enter the email address here, then I enter the password too. And after checking everything, we can click on Login so that we can log into your administrator account. So here we can see that we have logged into your account. Your name is showing here. So to delete the user, we have to go to all the users. And after that, you will see here, if the moment comes, we will delete it. And whatever is there, I will put it in your name. Finally, click on Confirm. And you will see that the user has been deleted from here. So you can delete it like this. Also, if you need customization and development, please feel free to contact me. I will provide your web development service support and advice.